What's going on YouTube? It's Beowulf back at it with another jet ski video. I'm in Lake Harris, Florida. If you've seen the last video, whew, I was just on that beauty. RXT-X 300. Now I'm gonna take out my RXP X 300. This is awesome. Have it like nobody's here. Can launch both the jet skis at once, jump from one, do one video, jump into the next video. And there's a giant storm coming in right now as we speak. So let's get it going before there's like lightning and thunder and rain and all that. Be nice to cool off, but I want to get in before I get struck by lightning because I'm in this huge lake. And I filled this up before going and it said it wouldn't fill anymore. And it was only half a tank, so I didn't get a lot of riding. This is a full tank. So we'll see. This did about like 75 as the top speed. Out here it's really humid. It's like almost 100 degrees. Let's get on this, see what the top speed is, and let's get the video going, guys. All right, guys, let's get this video going. Whew, it's hot. It is hot. There's no ways to really get wet to get cooled off. Pretty calm water here. I did my first oil change on this. Wrong key, right key. So I did my first oil change on this. The night before I fled my house, I did have to do an oil change like late at night. It was almost due for oil change, and I first didn't know how much riding I would have done. I should have like left it how it was, just did it when I got back, but I don't know. And then there's like a chance I might drive down to the Florida Keys with the jet skis because I'm only like 7 hours away. I mean, who knows? Let's play it by ear. And look at this, like a rainbow. I don't even know what the GoPro will show it. But this is pretty. It's different. Cause see, like back when I lived in Illinois, my parents had a lake house, and they classified it as a lake, but it was like not that big. And that's where I had the Yamaha and all that. This old, let's see, it's a 97 Yamaha. And like I've been so much riding in lakes, and now having the privilege of being in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, where I got the intercoastal waterway and the Atlantic Ocean to have them to go into. I mean, I'm just like, I get in a lake and I'm kind of bored, to be honest. But I'm gonna make the best of what it is. It's just there's not a lot out here. It's exciting, it's big. It's an awesome boat launch, I have to say. It's better than nothing. It's better than, you know, there was a place near where the house I'm running, but they said it was like 10 foot deep or 8 foot deep, a lot of weeds. This is open enough to where I don't think it's, hopefully. And yeah, let's have some fun on the RXP X. See what you can drop out at, kind of get a little wet, cool off before this rain comes in. But you can tell there's a storm brewing, so can't be out for too long, but let's get the video rolling. So just getting everything packed up to start heading back home to South Carolina. This is what I kind of made as my mobile command center of going on the internet, YouTube videos, whatnot. I had to haul it with because I thought my house was going to be underwater. So like I said, anything that's valuable, I took it with me. And I converted like the whole kitchen. I didn't even cook when I was here. I just converted the whole kitchen into, this is all the cables to run all this stuff. I got all these hard drives, my Mac Pro. I got this other hard drive that hooks in, that stores all my Final Cut Pro Studios Pro X onto that. So I had to haul that with, and yeah, so I had to pack all this up, start heading home. And I have a Mac Pro laptop, but I like using this setup because I use multiple screens at the same time, and it's awesome setup. And I got like a special keyboard and all that. So I'm packing up everything. Got some bags packed. I know the Bull Terriers are ready to go home. You guys ready to go back home? South Carolina? An awesome view. Got the pool. Got to go in that for like 20-30 minutes this morning. And just got packed up. I had to bring like everything with. Like anything that's valuable I brought with. I had to bring like my plate carrier with. I brought all my guns with me. I brought my Xbox, which I never used because the internet was really slow here. And I mean, this was a nice, just kind of packing up. But I mean, this was and I still got to put all this away. This is what I was talking about, Terminator 2 jacket. This is like look at this. It's like, shows how old the freaking tag is. This is that one I was talking about in a past video. I brought that with because I thought Terminator 2 ride was still here and wanted to compare jackets, but you can't compare nothing when it's all gone. So, well, then I also got more stuff to pack up too. It's just like, I got a whole nother room full of stuff. I hauled a lot of stuff with me, but I thought I took what I needed. And I got Leo's collar harness with, but he's in Illinois. I don't know when he's coming back to South Carolina, back to my house, but I gotta contact my parents and ask them. But I got all this stuff I gotta pack up and hook up the jet skis. But this is a fun house to stay at. It's just, people aren't in the neighborhood, weren't like, I'm used to being back home where people wave, people friendly. People I found in this gated community where I'm staying weren't that friendly. I think last night, I don't know what they're yelling at me, but I think it's people who own this house that rent it out because it has whatever, this truck has whatever this company's called it. Well, I'm not even gonna give them a plug out for that, but I was just trying to clean out the jet skis last night after riding, and you had to start them up to clean them out, and they were like, somebody was like yelling and screaming, and they were only on for like both like not even less than 2 minutes, not the end of the world. So otherwise it's been a fun stay. It's been close to everything. Just wish I did some more riding, but that's the next plan. Florida Keys, got to figure that out. And yeah, may I stay at this place again? I know I'm going to come to this next year for sure, before, like right around the same time for this thing, Universal, with the Halloween stuff. That was awesome. And if you haven't checked the past videos with that, you should check them out. It was like horror night, horror thriller, whatever nights. I don't know, check it out. It was awesome. It was the best Halloween stuff I've ever done in my life. And then I went to the park before, so I did 2 separate videos at Universal, and then I did like a 3-day Disney thing. It's not like any Disney stuff, it was like a roller coaster and stuff, but make sure you check out those videos. Let's get this packed up because I want to get home. It's a 7.5 hour drive or 500 something miles, and I want to get home. Cash wants to get home. Pike wants to get home. They've been patiently waiting. They just want to go home. You ready to go home? Huh? They're all like just wondering. They're not sure what's all going on, but I know they want to go home. All right, all packed up on the way home. And I've been stuck in traffic for like 20 something minutes. I just want to get onto this highway so I could start going. Come on. I know. You pouting too? I know. Alright. We're moving. Alright, so I made it home safe. But I didn't get home till like super late. There was like some house on fire on the way home. And the roads were closed because of flooding. So I had to take some like goofy way. I should have filmed. I was taking some road that like the trailer and the Jeep shouldn't have been on. But I was so tired, let me rewind. So there was this roadblock. They had like 20 fire trucks there last night. And all these people were waiting to get through, and I asked people like how long they were waiting to try to drive through this because the fire trucks took over the whole road. People said they were waiting over like an hour. and they're all pissed that they had to wait. Well, I was so tired, and there was I think it was a county police. I get out and I told the guy, I said, I've been driving 8 hours. I just want to go home. I said, I barely keep my eyes open. He told me some route to take that even the GPS wasn't saying it, but this one part where it said it was a road was actually just grass. And I wasn't going to take the rig through that. But luckily I got through. I got home. But now the whole battle is I got sandbags to pick up. And I'm probably going to try to return them. Otherwise I'm going to sell sand pretty cheap. But I had to move all these. I don't know where. And I got them at my other garage door and on the side of the door and at the other side of the door and my front door. And I got to still wash the jet skis, wash my Jeep, pull the jet skis in here, reorganize all this stuff, and still do some other filming today in another video. So I'm going to get rolling at doing all this because there's tons of stuff. But man, Florida was fun. Can't wait to get back there again. Next time it's Key West, no questions. Want to be in that crystal blue water, baby blue water. I think that's what you'd say. But anyways, if you're new to the channel, I'm Beowulf. Hit that subscribe button. And to my existing subscribers, man, let's build this into a huge Beowulf nation. And also, too, I have to say I have an awesome neighbor, too. He was so nice. He cut my grass, so it's one last thing I have to do when I get home, and he didn't have to do that. I really appreciate that. So, I'll see you guys back in the next video. I can't put my hands up to say peace, because I got my shoes that I'm going to put on to lift all the sandbags, so I'm not doing the sandal. But peace out. I'll see you guys in the next video.